The Outlook file access denied problem appeared when I was trying to open or import an Outlook.pst data file in Outlook 2016. Here you can see when I try to open backup PST file in Outlook and I'm getting this issue. File access is denied, so let's fix this issue. Go to your PST file location. Right-click on the PST file that you want to import or open. Next, click on Properties. Under General, if Read-Only checkbox is checked, then just uncheck it and click on OK button. Then try to open PST file in Outlook. If the problem persists, right-click on PST file and open Properties. Select the Security tab and click Edit. Click on Add button. Click on Advanced button. Next, click on Find Now and then under Search Result, double-click on Everyone to select it. Next, click on OK button. Then select Everyone and check the Full Control checkbox and click OK again. Now try to open or import PST file in Outlook. If this does not work, then try opening Outlook as administrator and try to open PST file again. If you are able to open, then it's okay. Otherwise, move to next steps. Now let's scan and repair the Outlook PST file. For this, navigate to following location based on your Outlook version. In my case, it is Outlook 2016. Double-click at scanpst.exe to launch the Inbox Repair tool. Click on Browse to select your PST file and then click on Start button. If you get this repair button, then click on it. The repair has been completed. Now attempt to open the PST file in Outlook. It should open without encountering any permission issues. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update.